Okay, little snowboard hiking for skiing. I came up with some stuff. I'm learning to snowboard. I'm a level 1 instructor, but I haven't done it in years. Year before last, got back into it a little bit. But so I was playing with this, so I'm interested in your ideas. So the concept is hiking on a trail. Can we imitate the movement patterns of snowboarding? So I'm doing like the extra wide stance, and then so I'm turning my feet out, so I'm on the hillside edge, and I'm coming down the hill, and then I'm going to rotate this front and chop it around, rotate back to the hillside edge, the other side, rotate to the inside edge of the front, and then follow to the inside edge of the chopping foot behind. Rotate to the outside edge of the feet. Chopping foot is going to go to the outside edge as well. Okay, rotate to the inside and chop it around. Okay, so that's the first idea. And then hiking uphill, you're going to hike up with a wide stance to change the muscle groups that you would hike with, as opposed to just straight footed or the skier hike. Okay, so again, we're going hillside edge. Okay, so by rotating the feet and the knees back, we're pushing the pressure on the heel of the board, getting on the heel, staying balanced, and then rotating front and chopping around where you're in the stance and you're on the inside edges on the toes of your feet. Rotating back, chop it around, rotating the front, chop it around. So I guess we could do that back uphill, huh? So if we go uphill this way. Oh, try to stay on the heel side, toe side, inside edges of the feet, heel side, outside edges of the feet, toe side, inside edges of both feet. Well, that's interesting. Okay, careful when you try this at home. All at your own risk. There's things to trip on, okay? So that's the concept. Goofy foot. Oh yeah, so I was switching my, I'm goofy, but I'm determined to learn to ride switch. So, equally, to spend equal time. Okay, so riding switch, we're outside edge of the feet, knees are pulled back, okay, forward. With the board, you're twisting the board, and then following along with the inside. So you're on the toe side edges, twisting the board, outside, twisting the board, inside chop. Yeah. And then there's the backward hike. Okay, so you could go, let's do a switch up. Okay, so it's interesting, there is a balance component. And it's hard to get that outside edge of the foot for the heel side going uphill. Kind of fun and interesting. Okay, so, and then you can play switch, going down, coming here, rotating over, and then back, rotating over. I don't know, something like that. And yeah, and hiking up backwards. There's staying on rotating the knees back, staying on the uphill edges of your feet with a wide chop stance. Oh yeah, yeah, it's a really different workout as opposed to skier hiking, because you're coming like this, rotating the feet. Feels much more efficient for a human, but some humans want to walk a different path, such as my move to ski training. Okay, give it a try. We'll see how it works. Peace.